Hello guys, in this video ipapakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-track ng ating parcel o padala sa JNT. So first, ang gagawin natin is humingi ng picture ng parcel na pinadala at kopyahin natin ang barcode na nakadikit sa parcel. And then, punta na tayo sa Chrome. And then, i-type lang natin yung GNT tracker. Ayan, lalabas na siya. And then, i-click natin itong track and trace package, GNT tracker. Ayan. So, ito na yung pinaka-home ng tracker page nila. So, yan guys, wala pa yung details. So, dito sa may tracking number, so, dyan sa may kahon, i-type natin dyan yung kinopya natin na barcode from the parcel. So, type na natin. And then, after ma-type ang barcode, i-click natin itong search na picture, na sign. And then, slide to complete the parcel. So, ayan. Timing lang natin dyan. Ayan, guys. So, ayan na guys. So, ito na yung details or status ng ating padala. So, from Quezon City, na-pick up na siya. That is to Davao City. So, September 26, pick up. Your package has been picked up by courier. So, ayan guys. So, waiting na lang kami na dumating yung parcel from Quezon City to here at Davao City. So, tingnan natin kung ilang days ang pagpapadala from JNT. So, update ko lang kayo guys pag dumating na yung parcel. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!